Okay, my friends in YouTubeville, today we're going to open up and attempt to use my Harbor Freight Central Machinery powder coating system that I bought a couple years ago. Just getting around to it. I know I move pretty fast, but circumstances, you know. Okay, so we read the instructions. So what we're going to do now is just pull this thing out. Keep these two bottles here. We'll get those filled up with some powder. And this moisture trap screws onto the base of the gun here. So pull this stuff out. And what we have is this here is the control box, the system box. This is the negative ground. It goes to the metal to be powder coated. This is the current switch. And so when you're ready to start powder coating, you click on that. That starts the electrical current. This is our gun. Got our moisture trap on here. This hooks up to an air hose, and the recommended PSI is 10 to 30. Okay, before we get started, I'm going to point out a few things. Personal protective equipment. Gloves, some rubber gloves, an N95 mask, and some glasses, some safety glasses. Just set this up with a little plastic tub. I put an eye bolt through the top here, and then connected my ground clip to the eye bolt, so it's all good. So this piece is grounded. We're going to be spraying blue powder coat. And I put some already in the canister, shook it up real good before I put it on there, and we've got our moisture trap here. We've got our air line with about 20 pounds of pressure on it, so we're just about ready to go. One other thing real quick that I wanted to show was that I fashioned these hangers so that they would be in minimal contact with the piece that I'm powder coating, and I made it so that I can grab hold of it easily and then hook it. Might take a little bit of trial and error to come up with the right hooks, but I just fashioned this with some welding rod. When I go to put this in the oven, I'm going to have to lay it flatter. So I got this little structure here, and I'm going to put this through here, pull my hook out, and then put it in the oven. So that's the way that's going to work, hopefully. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and turn our power on. Yeah, we got our power on. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if this is going to result in a coating. It says to keep about 8 inches from your workpiece. So we're going to use our foot pedal. We'll use our foot pedal, and then we will see if this is going to work. All right. Alright, that looks pretty good on that side. Now let's set this down. And then we're going to turn our piece around slightly. Then we'll do the back side. As we turn the power off, okay, and then what they say to do is to touch that to the electrode, the tip of it to the ground, to make sure that you discharge any power that is in the it's in the tip of the gun still, so you don't want to get electrocuted. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull this out. And then we're going to put it on our I guess we want to turn this back around. Okay, it looks like we got it pretty good. Okay, now we're going to take this piece out and we're going to go put it in our little oven. Okay, so we preheated this oven here to 400. So we're just going to open this up and put our little piece in here. And then we're going to give it 10 minutes on the clock. And we'll see how it looks in 10 minutes. Okay, so there's the piece. It looks pretty good, looks glossy. We'll let it cool a little bit more. And then we'll pull it on out. Okay, so I brought this piece outside to show it off a little bit better. There you can see how nice it came out. Beautiful. I'm really, really happy. There you can see how it came out. It's really, really nice. Nice gloss. Beautiful gloss. I'm very happy. That's my first effort. Wish I had started using it earlier instead of waiting around 2 years. But anyways, it works. Works great.